After choosing a domain name, you now need to look at what hosting is required to meet your needs. Choosing the right web hosting plan is crucial for the success of your website. There are various factors to consider when making this decision, and it largely depends on your specific needs and goals. You may think that choosing the cheapest plan is good enough, but this often is not the case. Here are some key factors to consider. Different websites have different requirements. For example, a small blog may have different needs than an e-commerce site or a high-traffic news portal. Estimate the amount of traffic you expect to receive. This will help you determine the necessary resources. It may need to be a guess to start with, but it's better to overestimate than run short. Just remember that website users don't like waiting for a page to load or a video to play. If you don't have enough hosting resources available, then potential customers will simply move on to the next website and you won't get a look in. You also need to consider the type of hosting required, and this will depend on what type of service you require. Shared hosting is suitable for small websites with moderate traffic. Resources are shared among multiple users, making it cost-effective. Virtual private server hosting provides dedicated resources within a virtual environment. Suitable for growing websites with moderate traffic, dedicated hosting offers an entire server for your website, suitable for large websites with high traffic and resource-intensive applications. Cloud hosting resources are distributed across multiple servers. It provides scalability and is suitable for websites with fluctuating traffic. Next, you want to consider performance and reliability. Consider the server's hardware specifications, such as CPU, RAM, and storage. Generally, the more capacity you have, the faster its responsiveness. Choose a hosting plan that allows you to easily upgrade as your website grows. Scalability is crucial for accommodating increased traffic and resource demands. You don't want your service to suffer simply because your hosting provider doesn't have the capacity to meet your needs. Ensure the hosting plan supports the technologies your website needs. If you are using WordPress or a similar platform, the plugin you require generally advises on the resources required. Check that your hosting plan will easily support the software you intend to use. You are better to overestimate than run out of resources. Remember, customers have a need for speed and don't want to wait. Evaluate the level of customer support provided by the hosting provider. Look for at least a phone support service. Email-only support can slow down the response time required depending on the provider's contactability. Security features are important, so look for hosting providers that offer robust security measures, such as SSL certificates, firewalls, and regular backups. Visit us at hostingdomains.net for fast, reliable hosting, domain, and website building services.